Hey, ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, Glacier here yet again with another video. Today we'll be playing Hotel Remorse, a horror game that is a horror game about hotels or something. I don't know. It's a game. I'm gonna play it. Okay, Saturday, October 2nd. Between the times of 2 a.m. through 3 a.m., there were several reports made of a single gunshot heard from a hotel. The occupants of the hotel quickly vacated the building in search of safety. Except probably me or something. I don't know. Whoa! Huh? What's going? Whoa! Okay. Now I'm moving. That kind of was sudden, but not so as sudden as I thought. Okay. Oh, I have to. Helen is pregnant. We did not plan this, but I will have to accept it, as she is the only one I love. We will get through this, and we will soon be married, having the rest of our lives to be with one another. And stuff. Okay, so from what I can tell, this game looks like it's kind of made from the same engine as Colot, but anyways, well, okay, I can't... Okay! That was, weird. Can I open these doors? I want to know what's in the... I hear banging through that door. I hear people doing something. I'm coming in there. Okay, fine. Freaking... Did I hear something? Or is those... Okay, those are just my footsteps. Okay. Why do I feel like this hallway is getting longer and longer? Or is that just me? I don't know. This is a freaking... Okay. Oh, that's great. There's flickering lights in the distance. Just great. I love this. You know, flickering... Oh. I always... Is it just me or did the lights get darker back there? Okay, well, just, September 17th. How did this happen? This is not how it was meant to be. We were meant to get married. Oh, what? Ah! Yeah, cool game! All I wanted to do was read the thingy. Okay. We were meant to get married and be together forever. But now she is gone. Why couldn't they save her, but they could save the child? She was the important one. Wait. So you're thinking, screw the baby, and say, oh, more notes. Ah! Oh, it's blank! It's blank, yeah, this is great! Screw you, game! No! Yeah. I didn't even know what? I didn't even know. What was that? Was I just passing gas or something? Because that's exactly what I'm... Ah! Oh my god! What the freak? Hey! I don't know. What the frick, man? Oh dear God. Oh God. Oh, I hear a baby. Baby! No, don't even, no. No Justin Bieber in here. Justin Bieber's not allowed. September 21st. I have no one. I'm left here alone in this darkness. Its cries keep me up at night. Why won't it shut up? Please make it shut up. Just shut up! Helen, where are you? Helen? Ah! God! Oh, I'm gonna kill that baby! That would be terrible. But still, I'm gonna kill that baby because I feel like I'm afraid. I'm mad, okay? Oh, God. Oh, wait. Ah! Okay, I'm going through the door. Oh, God. Okay, yeah, it's closing on me. Oh, God, go. Can you... Oh, frick. Oh, God. Okay, go this way. Go in this way. Having fun. Oh! Oh, there's a key! Oh! There's a key! To the go, go, go. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God! Oh, my God! No! Oh, there's a cute little baby! Oh, what the heck? Okay. Finally. It is oh no, he killed the baby. I thought doing this would help me, but I still cannot sleep. What have I done? My mind is lost without her. I need you, Helen. Helen! Oh dear God. What's happening? Do I hear? Do I go through? Oh, okay, I do go through the door. Okay. Yeah, this is weird. This is really messed up. Why did you kill the baby, you sicko? Oh, God. Why do I hear a thing? I heard a thing. Oh, it's a note. Oh, hi. The notes, letters, great, fun, happy, it's time. Oh, God. I'm coming for you. Oh, dear. Go. What? Ah! What the fuck? Shift, run! Holy dear God! Go! Gotta go fast! Come on, go Sonic! Go Sonic! I'm safe! I'm happy! I'm having a happy time! Dancing around at the speeder sound. Got places to go, gotta follow my... Oh, I don't have a rainbow. Where's my rainbow? I need my rainbows. Nyan? Yeah? Meow? Oh, it's getting lighter. Is it just me or is it getting lighter? Now it's getting darker? What's going on? Do I click on the thing? Oh, God! What did I do? What's going on? Ah! What is it? God dang it, no! Oh, God! Whoa, I'm having a burn! Yeah! This is a rock burn! Oh, what? I was rocking out, man! I was having a friggin' rock party! Why would you, what? Oh, God! Oh, my God! Oh, my God, what is that?
Scary. How dare you making scaring videos out of Squishy for no reason? That's it. Shut up, and delete this video right now, and next, I will do attacks out of you. More like scary on user. Screw you, Scary.